In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a payment method to the Wise app so you can fund your transfers and add money to your account. Let's get into it. Open the Wise app on your phone and log into your account. On the home screen, tap Add Money or select the specific currency you want to top up. Then tap Add. Enter the amount you want to add and choose the currency. Now you'll see a list of available payment methods. The options you get depend on your country, but most people will see bank transfer, debit card, and credit card. If you want to add a new debit or credit card, tap on Add a New Card. Enter your card number, expiration date, CVV, and the name on the card. Make sure all the details match exactly what's on your card. Once you've entered everything, tap Continue. Wise will save this card to your account so you can use it again next time without re-entering the details. You'll see it listed under Payment Methods in your settings. If you prefer to pay by bank transfer instead, select Bank Transfer from the payment options. Wise will show you the bank details you need to send money to, account number, routing number, and the reference code. Go to your bank's app or online banking, set up a transfer to those details, and include the reference code so Wise knows the payment is from you. Once your payment is processed, the money will appear in your Wise account and you'll get a notification. Bank transfers usually take 1 to 3 business days, while card payments arrive almost instantly. You can manage or remove saved payment methods anytime. Just tap on your profile icon at the top, go to Settings, then tap Payment Methods. From there, you can view all your saved cards and delete any you no longer want to use. And that's it. That's how to add a payment method to the Wise app. Now you can easily fund transfers, top up your balance, or pay bills whenever you need to. If this video helped you out, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to Learn Mode Lab so you don't miss more tutorials like this.